Hey, kia ora. Helen Brahms here, coming to you live from Sun City in Arizona. Hope you've all had a super fantastic, sparkling, shake it up Saturday. How was your shake it up Saturday? What did you do today to shake up your day? We had a really cool day. We had plans. They got changed. It was okay. We just went with the flow. Instead of doing laundry tomorrow, we decided to do laundry today. Just those sorts of things. And then I did some work on the new CRM system that I'm going to be using. So I got a lot of work done on that as well. Got my little to-do list that I had to do basically done, which was kind of cool. But we only got some laundry done at lunch. Didn't do all my laundry. I did about half of it because I just couldn't be bothered dealing with multiple machines. And as it was, I ended up with 2 machines anyway. So it's like, ugh. And then I'm standing there and I'm putting all the laundry into the thing, and I suddenly looked at it all and went, oh crap. And somebody goes, what? I said, did you forget laundry detergent or something? I says, no. I said, I forgot to bring down the towels and sheets. And it's like, well, you could do them later. I said, yeah, I ain't doing them today. If I forgot them, they ain't getting done today. They can get done another day. But nobody could tell me what time everybody asked. Couldn't tell me. And so somebody suggested, and I even asked in the Facebook group for the resort, and nobody could tell me. They said, well, I think it might be 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., but I'm not sure. And somebody else says, well, sometimes they close it at 8:30 if there's nobody around. And somebody else said, well, us security, they'll know. And so we did. They said, oh, we close it at midnight. And I said, well, what time does it open in the morning? And the guy stands there and goes, it's either 6 or 7. Obviously, he doesn't do the morning shift, so he's not the one that does the unlocking. He's the one that does the locking in the evening, which is what I gathered from that. And so that's okay. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It only makes a difference on the weekend. On a weekday, if I wanted to go in and do some laundry. So now at least I know they close it at midnight, which means I can go down at 6 o'clock if I wanted to and put a load of laundry on and sit there and do all of that. But I'm not sure how Zeffie will be in the RV by herself when it's dark. Have not left her alone in the RV when it's dark before. So, but I will start testing that next week once I get my inside cameras in place. So that will be good for testing that out. And apparently these cameras have really good night vision on them. So kind of excited to test them out a little bit. And I'll probably leave one of the little lights on for Zeffie, but then I'll just go down, change the laundry over, come back, spend time with her, go back, change it, put it into the dryer, and then come back here again. But yeah, so it's been a very easy day. We haven't rushed anything, and then I decided around like 3 o'clock, I think it was. I was going to go lay down. I was like, no, I don't need to lay down. I need to take a walk. So got all suited up, got Zeffie on her harness and stuff, and off we went for a walk. And partway through the walk, I'm like, what do I do with some ice cream? I don't know where this stuff was coming from. And so I thought, ice cream, that means we're going to go to like Dairy Queen because they've got a drive-through. I could go to McDonald's and get one of their ice creams. And so I thought, well, let me go for a drive and I'll feel like, where we end up. And so it was just after 4 when we left. By the time we finished a walk, it was just after 4 when we left. We will be going for another walk soon because, she won't, having her go for a walk at 3 o'clock and then expecting her to wait till tomorrow morning is not fair on her. So we will do another walk shortly, and then that will be her for the night. And so we hopped in the car and went for a drive. And I was going down Bell Road towards where our mail is. And I thought, let me go see if there's a park right outside the door, which is where I like to park because if I got Zeffie, she can see me inside. And I thought then she'll be able to see me and she doesn't whine as much because I'm within her sight. So that all works out. And so we get there at 4:30 and they're closed. Like the grating is pulled up over the sales area. So I do have a key to get in there so I can go and access my mailbox. But they were closed. And I'm like, but they don't close till 5 o'clock. I thought, I have a business card here that has 5 p.m. on it. And that's what I've always gone by. Well, come to find out, as I pull up there, I have a look at the door. And, of course, they have the sign that says Sunday, we're now open from 10 to 3. And I thought, well, they've always been open from 10 to 3. Why are they making it like a big announcement or something? Then I look at the little sign from the door, and there's a change being made on Saturday to 3 p.m. I'm like, seriously, when did they No notification about it at all. No notification. Nothing in the box to say they're changing hours or anything like that. And I thought, well, that sucks. Here I am, plenty of time. I can go in there, get my mail and all that, and they're closed. And I got like 5 or 6 packages or something sitting there waiting. And one of the packages waiting there is my little registration sticker for my license plates, because they expire on Monday. So I wanted to get. So then I'm like thinking, so as we're driving home, I'm like, what am I going to do? I know. We'll get up in the morning. We'll go and do our walk. We'll come back, time it so that we get in the car around 9:30ish. Drive to the mail place. This is after our walk. Drive to the mail place. Park in front for when they open. Once they're open, I'll go inside, get all the stuff done I need to get done, and Zeph will be happy because she'll be able to see me inside. And then once we've got the mail, we'll then go up to the dog park and let her run around. Good plan. So that's our plan for tomorrow morning. If it ends up we go to the dog park first, then we will swing by the mail place on our way home, because one of the ways that we come home, we actually go past the mail place. So I want to do it before we go to the dog park, like get there when they open at 10 o'clock, rather than leave it till later in the day. So, and then after we go to the dog park, we can then go on out, continue on our Sunday mystery drive, and then come back and do some genealogy. So, we just had a change around and it was okay. And it's like, well, it kind of sucked that the mail place was closed. It was now closing 2 hours early on a Saturday. But I thought, that's okay. And we'll just roll with it. Just go with it, and we'll come back tomorrow. That's not a problem. And so then I'm like thinking, okay, ice cream. I really still feel like ice cream. And then we're coming up to the place where there was an In-N-Out, and I figured, In-N-Out, they have really good chocolate shakes. That's ice cream. So we pulled into the In-N-Out and got dinner with a chocolate shake. So that was my ice cream. So yes, that was my ice cream for the day. So I got my ice cream, and then we came back and sat here and had dinner. And Zeffie, of course, was trying to get some of the burger, and I'm sort of like, no. She did get a couple of fries, though, but she's jumped back up and was trying to reach over to sniff my burger without looking like she was reaching over to sniff my burger. It was kind of cute. But anyway, so that's where we're at. We've had a nice shake it up day. Our schedule completely changed, and so tomorrow I've got the dog park, picking up the mail, genealogy to do, and I have an appointment set up for tomorrow afternoon. So we'll be back in time for that because we'll still be able to do our mystery drive. So hoodles. So that's it from me for today. Hope you've all had a super fantastic sparkling shake it up Saturday, and we will catch you guys back here bright and early tomorrow morning from somewhere around the area. I have no idea what time. But we'll catch you back here tomorrow morning for Serenity Sunday. Heck on it.